Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing this kettle. It's by a brand called Aigostar. Model number is King 30010 4KYG and it's a stainless steel LED illumination kettle. Now this kettle is stainless steel, made out of stainless steel, except the handle is made out of plastic. Even the bit where you pour out is also a metal, so it wouldn't start leaking like the plastic ones. To open this, you got the button here, so we press it, it just comes off. It got enough space for your hands to go in and you can clean it as well. Also it has a detachable filter here as well, so you can take it out and clean it. And you can see that if I can actually show you, but you can see that the filter is literally against the bit where the water pours out, so no lime scales or anything will come out as well, so it protects it. On top of that, it has a feature of auto shut off as well, so if it's not being used it will automatically shut off. On top of that, it has a auto temperature controller as well. Okay, so it would know that the amount of temperature is needed when it's boiling. Also it has more precise temperature control, and it's safe and reliable as well. It also has boil dry protection. It also has overheating protection, and the power of this is 2200 watts with a 1.7 liters capacity, and it's BPA free. So that's all the features that can go through. It also comes with the charging stand, which is 360 as well, so you can put it whichever way you want it, and it just comes with a basic instruction manual as well. So keep watching my video, I'll show you the demo and I'll show you how the illumination light lights up. Okay, so I put water up to 1 liter and it's cold water. I switched it on. This is how the light lights up, the LED illumination light, and let's just see how long it takes to boil up 1 liter of water and how loud it is as well.